Hello, everybody. Welcome to the very first episode of Constant Collab. This is something that I've been working on with some of my friends, some of my peers. We're trying to bring you guys more news, more information when it comes to crypto, finance, stock market, money, anything that can help people make more money and get out of the rat race. So, this is the very first episode. This is a dry run, trying to make sure that everything works correctly so you guys can have more access to information. We're looking to do 2 to 3 streams per day, so that way, like I said, update you guys on new information and whatnot when it comes to stock market, crypto, the latest news. So let's get started. So right here, the market cap. This is coin market cap. The market cap of crypto right now is $2.5 billion. $2.5 trillion. I stand corrected. As I record this video, the volume is 129 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is 46.3. It ticked up from yesterday, actually, even though Bitcoin is down 4%. Price per Bitcoin is $62,627. Ethereum is a little over 4,000. Binance, 472. The market is overall a little mixed. Yeah, there's some that are. There's nothing that's down double digits, not that I see, at least not in the top 10. But it's mixed. The top 10 is certainly mixed. Moving up to the news. This is wild. When I saw this, I could not believe it. But Binance suffered an 87% flash crash on Bitcoin. The price went down to $8,200 on Binance US for about a minute, if I'm not mistaken. But right here, Binance has commented on the reason behind extreme volatility that occurred on the exchange earlier today, claiming that the price drop was attributed to a vulnerability in the trading algorithm of one of institutional clients. So one of their clients, apparently they had a bug in the system and it started selling off their Bitcoin. That's a little insane. It's, something to keep in mind on, and you might want to have some sell or buy orders set at lower prices just in case something crazy like this happens. I've never been able to be lucky enough to catch one like this, but hey, it is what it is, right? But yeah, this is crazy. After hitting a new all-time high above 67,000 on Wednesday, the Bitcoin price has taken a bearish turn, shedding more than 5%. I think they're blowing it out of proportion. 5% of Bitcoin is nothing. I mean, the asset class can move, 10, 15, 20% in a matter of hours. 5% is nothing. I mean, it's a healthy, correction. So I tweeted out earlier, when you have a little correction like this, it's healthier, to build a stronger support level. So it seems that Bitcoin has pretty good support at 60 to 62. So I'm not bearish on it at all. I see Bitcoin at the end of the run going to 100, 115, even 130K if things line up. There's some people calling 300K. I don't see it personally. That's just a little far-fetched for me. At least this bull run, I see Bitcoin eventually hitting 300K, but just not yet. I see it 10xing the last close from the previous bull run in 2017. I think Bitcoin, the monthly candle closed around 12K. So you 10x that, we're talking about $120,000 Bitcoin this bull run. That's the math that I'm doing. People still give me crap as to why I don't own Bitcoin. I don't own Bitcoin because I see my money going further in alts. And I try not to go outside the top 100, top 50 altcoins, but I own a lot of Cardano, I own a lot of VeChain, I own a lot of XRP. I see my money going further. My average buys on Cardano are 2 cents. Right now, Cardano's trading at 217, 220. So we're talking about 100x my money. Had I bought Bitcoin, and even if I averaged $5,000, we're talking about a 20x at the peak of the market. That math doesn't make sense to me. That's the only reason why I don't own Bitcoin. I think it has a great future. I think it's a great store of value compared to gold, but it just doesn't make sense to me right now to own it. Um, but moving on, so J.P. Morgan Bitcoin's record run is being driven by inflation. Yeah, there's some truth to that. I don't agree 100% though, simply because the halving just happened last year, and after a halving, Bitcoin goes on a run. That's just the way that it's been the past 3-4 cycles, and there was no talk of inflation or anything like that back in 2017. Bitcoin went on a parabolic run. I think the inflation idea, yes, there's some truth to it, but I think they blow it out of proportion. Inflation concerns are driving Bitcoin's record run, JP Morgan strategist says. Gold is failing to perform as an inflation hedge, prompting investors to rotate into BTC. We believe that the perception of Bitcoin is being driven by inflation, better inflation hedge than gold, and it's the main reason for the upswing. The strategist said. I don't think so. Some truth to it, but not all of it. There's a lot more. There's more institutional money going into Bitcoin. It's just the halving. It's harder to acquire Bitcoins for the miners, so the price obviously goes up. Yes, there's more money in the market. The Fed, all Feds around all central banks around the world have been printing money to try to make up for the coronavirus and people not working and trying to support individuals that aren't working. But Bitcoin was going to run anyway, so I don't think that the inflation play really has much truth to it. But that's what they want to argue. That's perfectly fine with me. Moving on. So Solana gaming platform Monkey Ball raises $3 million from crypto's finest. Monkey Ball is a Solana-based play-to-earn soccer game, a kind of FIFA Street and Final Fantasy roll into one fun monkey-themed game. So, this play-to-earn and gaming, this is the future. People have spent billions and billions of hours playing video games, and the gaming industry is worth billions, if not pushing close to $1 trillion. And this is the where we're going. The ability of owning, let's say, a weapon in the new Call of Duty, and you can sell it at a profit because people want it and it's rare, and this is where gaming is going. And the gaming industry really has a bright future when it comes to NFTs and play to earn. But here, play to earn gaming platform Monkey Ball has confirmed conclusion of its recent funding round, during which it managed to raise over $3 million from a slew of venture and angel investors. I mean, that's people obviously see that this is where money is. In the metaverse, people are gonna spend hundreds of hours, millions of hours, just in their VR goggles, buying land, building houses, and this is again the future. People are gonna make a lot of money into it. I am looking into a lot of projects that's what they do: NFTs and online gaming, gala games, cryptos like that. You really want to keep your eye open for that. This is literally the foundation. They're building the foundation when it comes to online gaming and the future of play to earn. So keep your eyes open for that one. And the last one here that we're gonna be covering is a statement from PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel. He says that he's underinvested in Bitcoin. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people feel like that right now after this bull run. I think Bitcoin hit about 3K March of last year during the coronavirus dump, and now a lot of people are regret, especially a lot of institutional investors. They see Bitcoin as the new gold. Bitcoin has definitely Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, Solana. They've caught the eyes of a lot of institutional investors. So I'm sure that they feel underinvested when it comes to at least those four they would like to have put more money back a few months ago. So I mean, a lot of people feel like that. But yeah, this is all we're gonna be covering today. I hope you guys, like what we're doing here, what we're putting together for everybody. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your alerts, and like this video. Trying to get it out there to as many people as possible. And we look forward to putting more videos out for you guys. And we'll see you soon.